Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fluffy bagels. First, combine your high-protein bread flour with warm water, ensuring the temperature is around 105 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal yeast activation. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This thorough kneading is crucial for developing the gluten structure that gives bagels their signature chew. After kneading, divide your dough into equal portions, typically around 4 ounces each. Form these into smooth balls, then create a hole in the center to shape your bagels. Now, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate overnight for a cold fermentation. This slow proofing develops incredible depth of flavor and a better texture.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, imagine reading all your favorite bagel recipes or any book, anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for the kitchen or on the go. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
The next morning, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a pot of boiling water with a tablespoon of malt syrup. Boil each bagel for about 30 seconds per side. This creates that classic chewy crust. Immediately after boiling, add your desired toppings like sesame seeds or everything seasoning, then transfer them to your hot oven. To achieve that perfect fluffy interior, remember that a longer, slower proofing, especially the cold fermentation, is key. It allows the gluten to relax and the yeast to work gradually. Also, ensure your dough has proper hydration. Too dry and your bagels will be dense. Avoid over-kneading after the initial stage, as this can make them tough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.